Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a crane bookmark. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper of the given measurements. Now fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now from the other side, repeat this step. Open it and now fold it horizontally and press well. Now from the other side, again press. Now fold it according to the crease into a triangle and press it well. Now fold it outwards like this into a crown type shape. Now fold from the top and press it again from the other side. Repeat the same step. Alright, press it. Now from the other side, the same step. Pressing it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. And most importantly, do not forget to share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Alright. Pressing well. Now again. Fold from the top and press it well. Alright, now to the downwards, fold it and press it well. From the other side, repeat the same step. Alright, now prepare a peak of this one. Oh sorry, it was a crane actually. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.